Another tool is scatter. You have to select all the objects, and if you want to distribute them here in this part, change the rotation randomly, you want to scatter object in your scene, you can right click, go into the tool, and simply scatter. This is a scatter about offset, changing the position, changing the rotation, changing the scale. For example, you want to change the scale of the box from 100% to, for example, half. You can see there with this seed, with the proportional scale, it will change the size of the object. It's in this part. So you don't have the same object at the height. You can change rotation at the Y with from 0 to, for example, this number. I don't like this. To Z. Yeah, you can see you can scatter and changing randomly, and of course offset from 0 to, for example, 20 centimeter. Oh, it's not good. 10 in this. Oh, and 10 in this. Now it's right. 0. Change the position of the object based on that, and that's it. You can scatter, change position, rotation of all objects in scene.